Hey guys, what's up? This is Bama Girl Amy, and I wanted to show you guys a quilting project that I have been working on. As most of you guys already know that follow the channel, I'm expecting my first grandbaby in December. So I bought this quilt about a month ago. I've been working on it a month now, and I haven't really gotten that far, but then again, my quilting ladies and my crafting ladies out there will know that this is actually pretty good for a month's work because it's very time consuming. It does take a while. So I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. I'll be doing, an updated video about every month until the baby gets here to show you guys where I'm at. Just wanted to show you guys. I'm actually super happy that it's turned out this good so far because this is actually the first one that I have ever made. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love each and every one of you guys. And this is Bama Girl Amy, and I'm out.